The recommended 123 cabinetry workflow starts by pressing the New Project button, located on the far left of the 123 cabinetry toolbar. The next step is to create detail lines of your elevation within one of the sketch elevation groups. Once the group is saved, the corresponding group inside the model elevation automatically updates. You can use these detail lines to snap curtain grids onto, as well as preserve your elevation design. From here, we can set up 123 cabinetry host walls by pressing the Wall button, then deleting the unneeded walls. The remaining walls can then be resized inside of their respective model elevations. Once the host walls have been set up, we can start adding curtain grids to the host walls. You can use the detail lines to snap grids onto or to align the grids onto where needed. Always start by adding the longest, edge-to-edge curtain grids first, followed by the shorter segmented grids, and adding them from the outer cells to the inner cells. Now that the grids are all in place, simply activate a 3D view and press the Make button. After a few short moments, the 123 cabinetry model is created. The light material style is automatically applied to newly created 123 cabinetry models. There are 3 material styles to choose from: light, dark and wood, which are all fully adjustable. Next, we'll place a range and a sink, which will both automatically cut openings after they are placed into the model. It's easy to swap 123 cabinetry components using the Smart Swap tool. Simply click on any component that you wish to change and let Smart Swap do the rest. The 123 Cabinetry Match tool lets you quickly and easily match the properties of a single component type onto multiple other components. Smart Depth recognizes each component that's clicked and lets you easily and quickly set a standard depth for any 123 cabinetry component. You can see from this demonstration how intuitive and pain-free it is to create a complete cabinetry model using 123 cabinetry. The final step in the recommended 123 cabinetry workflow is to link the cabinetry model file into your main Revit project. File linking has many benefits for model manipulation, including the ability to easily rotate, move, and mirror the linked file without harming the main Revit model.